Assalamu alaikum. Hey dear friends, if you earn money online with UHRS task, dear friends, I tell you, related product recommendation task. If you looking exam key, I told you that exam key video description. You download video description. In the description link and go to the link and download key exam related product recommendation task. You will guaranteed pass qualification this task. Dear friends, see this task. You must watch the title. Christian Louboutin shoe. This is the title of the task, that related but not but together, incompatible, gender mismatch or only somewhat related. Because this is the answer task, and see you are correct. Okay. Second task, product title Chevrolet P30 KYB suspension. Answer is same or substitutable. Watch this. You are correct. Okay. This is the training is complete. Start qualification. You have completed required number of training hits. If you want to key exam qualification, you must watch the videos and go to the video description and found the link bhattieducation.com. There is a key exam, the task of related product recommendation.